Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about economic integration and levels of economic integration. So what is economic integration? Economic integration is an agreement between group of countries that usually include removal of trade barriers so that they can do free flow of goods, services and factor of production. Economic integration is an agreement between group of country that usually include removal of trade barriers so that they can do free flow of goods, services and factor of production. For example, European Union consists 27 members countries. For example, Spain, France, Germany, etc. And there is free movement of goods, services and factor of production between members countries. Now we talk about levels of economic integration. Economic integration basically have 5 levels: free trade area, custom union, common market, economic union, political union. One by one we discuss about each. So firstly we talk about free trade area. Free trade area means all barriers on the trade of goods and services among member countries are removed. All barriers on the trade of goods and services among member countries are removed, but member countries can decide their own trade policy for non-member country. Free trade area means all barriers on the trade of goods and services among members countries are removed, but member country can decide their own trade policy for non-member country. For example, a North American Free Trade Agreement in which 3 countries are involved: Canada, Mexico and United States. Okay, if Canada is doing trade with Mexico or United States, then there is no trade barrier because these both are member country. On the other hand, if Canada doing trade with non-member country like China, then Canada need not to follow any group rules. It can independently do trade with China. Now we talk about next level. Next level is custom union. Custom union means all the barriers on the trade of goods and services among member countries are removed, but adoption of common trade policy for non-member countries. Please don't be confused between free trade area and custom union. In free trade area, we don't have any common trade policy for non-member countries, but in custom union we have common trade policy for non-member countries. Okay, so custom union means all barriers on the trade of goods and services among members countries are removed, but adoption of common trade policy for non-member countries. For example, European Union, as we earlier discussed, European Union have a 27 members countries. For example, Spain, France, Germany, etc. If Spain, France, Germany are doing trade with each other, then there is no trade barriers. But if they are doing trade with any non-member country, then they need to adopt common trade policy. For example, 5% import duty is decided for non-member countries, and here our non-member countries Nepal and member countries Spain, France and Germany. If they are doing a trade with each other, if member countries Spain, France and Germany are doing trade with each other, then there is no trade barrier. But if Nepal is doing import from Spain, France or Germany, if Nepal is doing import from any of these member country, then it has to pay 5% import duties. It's called common policy for a non-member country. Okay, in short we can say that custom union is no trade barriers for members country, but common trade policy for non-members countries. Now we talk about third economic integration, that is common market. Common market is advanced economic integration stage after free trade area and custom union. That's why apart from including all condition of free trade area and custom union, it's also include free movement of factor of production including labor, capital and technology. Common market is advanced economic integration stage after free trade and custom union. That's why apart from including all condition of free trade and custom union, it's also include free movement of factor of production including labor, capital and technology. European Economic Community is well known example of common market because main purpose of this community free movement of factor of production including labor, capital and technology among the members country. And next we talk about fourth economic integration, that is economic union. Economic union is advanced stage after common market. Economic union is advanced stage after common market. That's why it's include all feature of common market plus member country integrate their fiscal and monetary policy. Here in economic union we will find all feature of a common market plus here member country integrate their fiscal and monetary policy. For example, adopting common currency or coordinate with each other for their taxation policy. Lastly, we talk about political union. Political union is most advanced form of economic integration with common government. Means now level of integration is so advanced, that's why countries have common government. So in political union include all feature of economic union plus we found here complete political integration. This is all about economic integration and level of economic integration. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.